What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Printify account or Printify store to your TikTok shop. So let's get right to it. First of all, basically Printify, what it lets you do is they have a wide variety or a great catalog of products, from t-shirts to mugs to accessories to towels and everything you can imagine. They are blank, so you can upload your design and print them on these blank products. And once you get an order, the beauty of it is that you do not have to have like a large stock of products, of physical products in your warehouse or inventory. You just print and ship by order. So when you get an order, Printify will print your design on the wanted product. They'll handle packaging and shipping and everything, and they'll ship it to your customer, and you will get the price difference as a profit. So that's a pretty cool business model. And in this video I'll show you how to create a Printify account. I do have an active account, however I'm creating one from scratch in this video to show you how, and I'll show you how to connect it to your TikTok shop. So let's get right to it. First of all, we need to go to Printify, that's printify.com, and you will land on their main page where you can log in or sign up. So you can continue with Google, or you can sign up here, log in with email or password, or you can sign up here to create an account. So I'll click on sign up. You can always sign up with Google or email and password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email, password, and then continue the sign up process. Okay, and once I did, they'll ask you like a couple of questions to better customize your experience. So I have my own e-commerce store. What is your main objective? To order or start first online business or grow my current business? What brings you to Printify? Like convenience. What's your current monthly sales? How do you currently fulfill your customers' printed order? Not yet. Okay, how did you find about us? Let's say friends and family. And now they've created your Printify store. Now we've signed up, and they give you like the steps needed to continue finishing your Printify store. However, for this video, I'm going to show you how to connect it to TikTok shop. So here you created your Printify account, and now you can take a look here at like some examples of some of the products that they are offering. As I told you, you have mugs, you have clothing, you have like frames, you have towels and fabrics, and so much more. You can go to the catalog and view all the categories and all the products that are available. And on any product, as you can see, once I hover over it, they give you like this dotted area. This is the area that will contain your design. Now, what you want to do is go here to my new store, and then click on add a new store to add new store. And here you have like many e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, TikTok shop, eBay, Squarespace, and more. Now I want to go here and click on TikTok US. And here they give you some steps you can do. First, you can create, or you would want to create your account here. And they tell you that currently US residency is required to connect TikTok shop with Printify. Now, to get started, you want to create a new shop, or you want to use an existing one. So let's say I want to use my existing one, or I want to create my one. So test store, I'm creating a new store. Okay, and you can go through the frequently asked questions if you want to. Now click on connect, and here you can select whether you have a TikTok account, or you have selected the seller shipping option on your TikTok shop, and you can learn more about it. So I currently don't have a TikTok shop. However, if I do have, I'll just click here and connect it. So now let's click or check these two and then click on connect. It'll open up a new pop-up where you'll like set up your TikTok shop. So here they'll tell you that you need to be in US, so only US residents or businesses that are in the US. So click here to select North America and then United States. Click on next. And once you do, you will be redirected to the TikTok Seller Center, where you need to confirm and authorize your ID. So here they tell you to upload an ID verification. So a US passport or US driver's license. Of course, since this is only available in the US, only US citizens can apply and create TikTok shop. So here they give you a sample. And for now, I'll just upload a random image just to show you the process. So let's upload this random image of a computer mouse. And then once the image is uploaded, okay, they tell you there is an issue. So I'll close it because, of course, this is not a real ID image or passport. You can also contact their support if you have any issues or any problems logging in or creating your account. And then here they had the option to contact support. However, now I just once I add your ID, you just have to enter your legal information. So your name, your US passport number, date of birth, expiry date, and address, and social security number, and some more info. And then click on next. And once you are confirmed your ID and you're authorized, TikTok will approve your application. And once you do, you have connected successfully your TikTok shop to your Printify store, and you are able to print on demand and sell products that are printed on demand from your TikTok shop and Printify, fulfilled by Printify. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to connect your Printify account or Printify store to your TikTok shop account. And now once you've connected successfully your TikTok shop, I'll show you really quickly. Let's leave this this sign up application. Now let's go to Printify, and what you can do is go to catalog and select a product to print on. So let's say you are selling clothing, so let's say see some tank tops, and you can get the tank tops that are available. Let's say we like this one, so a pretty basic tank top. You can click on it to view the variants, like the colors available from each different seller, and you would want to pick the sellers with the largest reviews or highest ratings. And here you can see the pricing and the production time and the shipping fees and all the products and the sizes and so on. So now you click on start designing, and here you can choose the variants that you want to print on, and you can select the print area or view the print area size here, and you want to add your designs. So here you can choose you can see the production information or details. Now let's add our design here. You can upload, create an AI image, add text, library, graphics, and so on. So for the sake of this video, I'll just add a simple graphic. Of course, I do not recommend you to do so, since they are generated by Printify, and you'll see many users who use this one. So click on it, it'll get right here. Of course, as I was saying, you need to add your own custom designs so that your products are unique. And once you add it, you can control the width, the height, and all these settings. And once you are happy with it, you can get here, select variants. Let's select the red, and view how the print will look on it, and also the royal blue. Okay, looking good. And now you can save the product. Okay, it's now saving. And here you can select or add the prices for each of the variants. So I'll select all the size variants and add a retail price. Of course, after shipping, they will recommend you a retail price of $22, and for the 2X large, $25.82. So a 40% margin of profit. Of course, you can edit the pricing if you want to. And now you can connect, or if you have these connected, your store, you will see your stores here to select on which store this product you would want it to be. So it's not visible here because we haven't finished the process of connecting our TikTok shop. However, if we have, you should be able to see it here. And once you click on it, you would have successfully added this product to your TikTok shop.